How do RF decoys save fighter jets from enemy missiles? Radar jamming? Explained. How do RF decoys save fighter jets from enemy missiles? Radar jamming explained. In modern aerial warfare, speed and firepower are no longer the only things that keep fighter jets alive. The real battle now takes place in the invisible world of radar and electronic signals. So how do fighter pilots survive in the face of advanced enemy radars and guided missiles? The answer lies in a powerful yet often overlooked weapon, the RF decoy. In this video, we'll explore how RF decoys protect fighter jets, how they work, and why they're essential for maintaining air superiority in today's high-tech battlefields. Section 1. What is an RF decoy? An RF decoy, or radar frequency decoy, is a small airborne device that mimics the radar signature of a real aircraft. It can be launched from fighter jets or drones, and once in the air, it sends out signals that trick enemy radar and missiles into thinking it's a real target. These decoys have been around for decades, but with the rise of advanced air defense systems like the S-400, HQ-9, and Patriot, their importance has skyrocketed. Section 2. How do RF decoys work? When a radar-guided missile locks onto a fighter jet, it follows the strongest radar return it can detect. An RF decoy can either reflect or generate radar signals that are stronger or more attractive than the real aircraft. This tricks the missile into pursuing the decoy instead of the pilot, giving the fighter jet a chance to escape unharmed. There are two main types: active decoys and passive decoys. Active decoys generate their own radar signals to mimic aircraft. Passive decoys reflect or amplify enemy radar signals. Section 3. Why are RF decoys important? Modern air defense systems can track and engage multiple targets at once. Without countermeasures like RF decoys, even stealth jets like the F-35 would be at risk. RF decoys help pilots by diverting enemy missiles, jamming and confusing enemy radars, creating false targets to overwhelm enemy defenses, allowing stealth jets to remain undetected. They are especially useful during suppression of enemy air defenses missions. Their fighter jets need to clear the skies of enemy radars and missile systems before launching major attacks. Section 4. Real-world applications. The US military uses decoys like the miniature air-launched decoy to simulate enemy aircraft and confuse air defense systems. In real combat scenarios, decoys have been used to distract enemy radar operators, trigger major missiles launched revealing enemy position, create safe corridors for real aircraft to pass through. Countries around the world are now investing heavily in decoy technology as the future of the combat becomes more dependent on electronic warfare than ever before. Conclusion: RF decoys may be small, but they play a huge role in modern warfare. By tricking enemy radars and missiles, they give fighter pilots a fighting chance in the most dangerous skies. In the invisible war of signals and sensors, decoys are the unsung heroes of air superiority. Call to action: if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment and share. Let us know in the comments, do you think decoys will become even more important than the stealth technology in the future? Subscribe to Flight Design Insight channel and hit the bell icon so you never miss a video about military tech, fighter jets, and modern warfare. Thank you so much.